Hello guys, this is CWI information lecture for part C. If you choose API 1104.1104, you were able to find, you were able to use the Ctrl F search function in the PDF file, but this is no longer available for you. For example, we'll use this PDF file for API 1104, and here if I hit Ctrl F, then I can see the small window for the search function. Then I spare defect and hit enter. Then the PDF file automatically finds you the word defect and hit enter again. Then another defect, and another defect, and another defect. So when you take the exam in the Prometric Center, you were able to use this Ctrl F, very powerful and useful function. But from now on, today is March 14th, 2022. This Ctrl F function for API 1104 is no longer available. Please keep your mind up. Okay, so this is the information for CWI Part C, API 1104. So please remember, when you study this API 1104, no more the search function available. So when you study, just use this PDF file without this search function and use the paper book and find where the word you find. Okay, thanks.